In this video, I'm going to show you how to recreate this micro interaction from the JD Sports app. So this is the screen we're going to be creating the interaction on. We need two overlays, so we're going to duplicate the screen twice and then remove the elements that we don't need. For the loading screen, we are going to keep the Android status bar at the top and the navigation bar at the bottom and the app navigation bar at the top as well. But for the added to cart pop-up, we're only going to use the bottom Android navigation bar. Now we have to create the loading spinner. So we're going to draw a circle 70 pixels by 70 pixels and change the color to the primary color of the app. Then we're going to hover over the circle, select this node and pull it up a bit so we can access this node and drag it back how far back we want. So I'm going to go to this panel on the right and I want 72%, so I'm going to put in that exact figure. And then I'm going to close it up so we have a full circle. Then I'm going to change the color from solid to angular, and that's it. Now to make this spin, we're going to create 4 of these at different angles and then smart animate them. So we're going to duplicate these 3 times and change the angles. To make this go clockwise, the first one is going to be 0 degrees, the second one will be minus 90, the third will be 180, and the fourth will be 90 degrees. Then we're going to select all of them and create a component set. Now we'll go to the prototype tab and connect each one to the one next to it. Then connect the last one to the first one. Since the interaction details are all the same, we're going to change it once. We're going to select all of them and change them at one go. So I'm going to select the whole component set and press enter to select each individual variant. Then I'm going to the panel on the right, select the interaction and set it to after delay of 1 millisecond, smart animate linear 250 milliseconds. So let's copy the first variant and paste it in the center of the first screen, and then let's run the prototype and see if it works. The other overlay that we need is the added to cart pop-up. I'm just going to quickly design that and then I will show you how we prototype the interaction. Now that we have all the elements that we need, we're going to go to the prototype tab and then we're going to select the add to cart button and connect it to the loading screen. And then we're going to set it to on tap, open overlay, placement is bottom center, and then we're going to select add background behind overlay. Then we're going to connect the loading screen to the added to cart overlay and set it to after delay of 2000 milliseconds, swap overlay, move in from the bottom, 250 milliseconds. Now let's run this and see how it looks. Don't forget to enable vertical scrolling on that first frame. Okay, so there are a couple of things that need adjusting. The loading takes a bit too long, so let's change that from 2000 milliseconds to 1200 milliseconds. And then there's one more thing, is a little detail, but I think it makes a difference. So on a real app, when the pop-up slides up, everything that is not the pop-up, basically everything underneath, including the bottom navigation bar, like the system navigation bar, basically has a dark overlay over it. So that's basically the effect that we're going to create here. To make it easy, I'm just going to duplicate that bottom navigation bar, get rid of the elements that we don't need, change the color to black, and then give it a pass-through of 25%, which is the same as the overlay that we're going to get on the rest of the screen, so that the most prominent thing on the screen will be the overlay minus the navigation bar. Now let's run it again. Looks much better. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. I'll catch you in the next one.